This is one of the most common questions I hear. How much money do I actually need to buy a house? And the good news is it's usually far less than people think. So let's break it down simply. When you buy a home, there's really three buckets to think about: down payment, closing costs, reserves, which is money left over after closing. You don't need to be loaded. You just need to understand how these all work together. Let's start with the biggest myth. You need 20% down to buy a house. Many first-time home buyers qualify right now with 3% down on a conventional loan, 3.5% down on an FHA loan, or even 0% down in some cases. That means on a $300,000 home, your down payment could be as low as $9,000, not $60,000. Now, next are closing costs. Things like lender fees, title, recording fees, taxes, insurance. Typically, closing costs range from about 3 to 5% of the purchase price. But here's the key. You don't always have to pay all the closing costs yourself. Closing costs can often be paid by the seller or offset by lender credits. Or there might be creative ways to roll the closing costs into your mortgage. Now, don't forget about the reserves. Reserves are funds left in your account after closing, and some programs do require this. This helps show the lender you can handle some unexpected expenses and gives you peace of mind as a new homeowner. You don't need a huge cushion, but you have to have some money left over, usually 2 months of your mortgage payment. But here's what I want first-time buyers to really understand. Buying your first home isn't about having perfect financing, but it is about having a clear plan. I've helped buyers purchase homes with far less money than they expected because they had the right strategy and the right guidance. This is my biggest advice. Don't guess, don't assume, and don't wait. A quick conversation with your lender can show you exactly how much money you need and what programs you qualify for and how close you already are. Sometimes you're months away, not years away. So, how much money do you need to buy your first home? Enough to get started, not enough to be perfect. With the right plan, homeownership is absolutely within reach. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Mortgage 101 tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm Sue Meitner, here to help you take your first step towards homeownership.